In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a saved password in Google Chrome. This process is simple and something you'll find useful if you've ever wanted to manage, update, or completely remove passwords that Chrome has saved for you. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to open Google Chrome. Look towards the top right corner of the window and you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button, a key part of the navigation in Chrome, giving you access to a variety of browser settings and features. When you click on these dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Once you're in the settings, observe the left-hand panel. Here, you will see a variety of options. We're interested in autofill and passwords. By clicking here, you'll be brought to a section that governs all of Chrome's autofill features, including how passwords and other personal information are managed. In this section, look for the Google Password Manager option. It's a centralized hub where Chrome saves your passwords securely. Clicking here will open the Password Manager. Now, you're in the Password Manager. You'll see a list labeled Passwords. This is where all your saved account information resides. Find the specific account for which you want to remove the password. This might require scrolling, especially if you have many passwords saved, but the accounts are typically listed in alphabetical order, which should help in your search. Once you've located the account you want to modify, click on it to open more detailed information. Here, you'll encounter different options related to that specific entry. Keep an eye out for a trash bin icon or a button labeled Delete. It's the command you'll use to remove the password from Chrome's storage. After you click the trash bin or delete button, Chrome might ask you for confirmation, wanting to make sure that this action is intentional, as it cannot be undone easily. When prompted, go ahead and confirm the deletion to finalize removing your saved password. And that's it. You've successfully removed a saved password from Google Chrome. This process is a straightforward way to ensure your passwords are up to date and manage any entries you no longer need. If you have any more questions, feel free to refer back to this guide. Thank you for watching and have a great day exploring the endless capabilities of Google Chrome.